If your skin itches for no reason after laundry day, your detergent might be the cause, and millions of people blame lotion while the real trigger hides in their wash. I'm Joseph, and you need to know what's really in your bottle. And stay till the end, because I'll show you the tiny laundry label mistake that could be keeping your skin itchy even after every wash. Subscribe now so you never miss what's next. Laundry detergents that may be irritating your skin. Number 7. Gain Original. Gain Original is one of the most loved scented detergents in America, and people pick it mostly for that bold, long-lasting smell that stays on clothes for days. The trick behind it is tiny scent capsules that keep breaking open during normal wear, releasing perfume for up to 6 weeks after the wash. Skin doctors say fragrance is the second most common cause of skin allergy in the whole world, sitting just behind nickel. What makes it harder is that a single word like fragrance on a bottle can hide more than 160 different chemicals, and the maker is not required to name even one of them. So your skin is touching a mystery mix every single day through your shirts, your sheets, and your towels. In the United States, around 80% of skin doctors already steer people with sensitive skin away from heavily scented washes like this one. For a lot of families, that strong, fresh smell is exactly what may be quietly setting off the itching, redness, and dry patches they keep blaming on everything else. Cons: contains added dyes. Optical brighteners cling on, hard to rinse out. Risky for eczema skin, not for newborn skin. Price: $11.97 per 88-ounce bottle. Number 6. Tide Original. Tide Original is the detergent most American homes reach for, and shopper surveys keep naming it the most trusted laundry brand in the country, which is exactly why it earns a spot here. People trust the strong clean and the familiar smell, but that trust can hide a real problem for sensitive skin. A normal scented detergent like this can carry somewhere between 20 and 50 separate fragrance chemicals. And because perfume blends are treated as a trade secret, none of them have to be printed on the label. Doctors point out that fragrance allergy affects roughly 1 to 4.5% of people, and the rash it causes looks almost exactly like ordinary dry or sensitive skin, so most people never connect it to their wash at all. The perfume and color are also designed to stay locked in the fabric instead of rinsing fully away, so a little of it sits against your body for hours. For most people, Tide cleans beautifully, but if your skin keeps flaring for no clear reason, this everyday favorite is one of the first things worth a second look. Cons: contains optical brighteners. Not eczema friendly. Not for babies. Contains cleaning enzymes. Lacks sensitive skin seal. Price: $13.97 per 92-ounce bottle. Which detergent is sitting in your laundry room right now and has your skin ever felt itchy after wash day? Drop your answer in the comments. Number 5. Persil Pro Clean Original. Persil Pro Clean Original comes from a famous German formula and has earned a loyal following because it is rated one of the most powerful stain removers you can grab off a normal store shelf. In independent cleaning tests, it often beats the big American names, which is exactly why so many people swear by it for tough dirt, grease, and ground-in messes. But here is the trade-off that rarely gets talked about. The more powerful a detergent is, the more active cleaning chemicals it usually has to pack into every single pore. Skin doctors explain that stronger, more concentrated formulas are the ones sensitive people should treat with the most care, because anything left behind in the fibers ends up resting against the skin for hours. Remember that about 80% of skin doctors in the United States already guide easily irritated people toward gentle, stripped-down washes instead of heavy performance formulas. Persil will crush the worst stains in your laundry pile, and plenty of people use it happily with zero problems. Still, if your skin tends to flare, redden, or itch without warning, this powerhouse is one you may want to think twice about before pouring it in. Cons: label warns skin irritation. Contains added perfume. May sting eyes. Heavy cleaning enzymes. Contains added dyes. Price: $15.97 per 100-ounce bottle. Number 4. Arm & Hammer Clean Burst. Arm & Hammer Clean Burst rides on the trusted baking soda name and a punchy fresh smell that fans say makes a whole room feel clean. It is also wallet-friendly, which is a big reason it lands in so many shopping carts across the country. The catch is hidden right inside the word burst, because that lively scent has to be engineered to survive the wash and keep releasing long after your clothes are dry. To make a smell last that long, a detergent has to lock perfume deep into the fabric, and that perfume does not simply rinse away when the cycle ends. Skin doctors remind us that whatever stays in the cloth then sits against your skin all day, every single time you wear it. This is why so many specialists, around 80% of them in the United States, push sensitive people toward washes with no added scent at all. The baking soda angle makes this product feel safe and natural, and for many people it works just fine. But that long-lasting burst of freshness is exactly the kind of design that can quietly keep skin irritated for anyone who reacts easily to perfume in their laundry. Cons: contains added dyes. Optical brighteners included. Not eczema friendly, not made for babies, no hypoallergenic label. Price: $7.97 per 100-ounce bottle. Number 3. Purex Mountain Breeze. Purex Mountain Breeze is a favorite for one simple reason. It is cheap, and that low price pulls in millions of budget shoppers who still want clothes that smell like fresh mountain air. The soft floral scent feels gentle and clean in the bottle, which makes it easy to assume it must be kind to skin too. The truth is a little different. Lower-cost detergents often have to lean harder on strong perfume and bright coloring to feel powerful and pleasant, because that scent and color are what shoppers notice first. Skin doctors warn that fragrance is the second most common cause of skin allergy on Earth, beaten only by the nickel found in cheap jewelry. The frustrating part is that a fragrance reaction looks just like normal dry or sensitive skin, so people almost never blame the bottle that actually caused it. They switch their lotions and creams instead, while the real trigger keeps quietly going through the wash. Mountain Breeze smells lovely and stretches a tight budget beautifully. But that pretty floral cloud is built from the very same hidden perfume chemicals that can leave easily irritated skin red, itchy, and confused about what went wrong. Cons: optical brighteners included. Weak rinse out. Leaves fabric residue. Risky for eczema. Not for babies. Price: $9.97 per 150-ounce bottle. Have you ever switched detergents to calm your skin? And did the change actually help? Tell me what worked for you below. Number 2. Extra Tropical Passion. Extra Tropical Passion is built to be one of the cheapest detergents on the entire shelf, and its bold tropical scent is the main thing that makes it stand out from the crowd. For families counting every dollar, that rock-bottom price is honestly hard to argue with. But here is what that low price often means behind the scenes. The cheapest formulas usually stretch their cleaning power thin and then lean very hard on strong perfume and bright color, so the product still feels exciting and effective. Big tropical and fruity scents like this one tend to carry some of the heaviest perfume loads of any detergent type you can buy. Skin doctors explain that this matters because a single fragrance can be built from more than 160 separate chemicals, and not one of them has to be named on the label. So your skin meets a thick, mysterious scent blend with every wash, locked into fabric that touches you for hours on end. The price tag feels like a clear win at the register. For sensitive skin, though, that powerful tropical punch can be one of the harshest and most irritating choices hiding in the whole laundry aisle. Cons: optical brighteners included. Poor rinse out. Harsh on eczema. Not for babies, no hypoallergenic label. Price: $4.97 per 97-ounce bottle. Number 1. Kirkland's Signature Ultra Clean Fresh Scent. Kirkland's Signature Ultra Clean Fresh Scent is the giant bulk jug from Costco that promises a powerful fresh smell and a huge number of loads for a low price per wash, and that value is why it ends up in so many homes. But it earns the top spot on this list for a reason that has nothing to do with cleaning power. A big, fresh scent bulk formula like this usually brings together perfume, coloring, and shine, boosting brighteners all in one bottle, which stacks several possible skin triggers into a single wash. Then comes the part that makes it worse. Because you buy it in such a massive size, that same formula runs through your laundry week after week for months on end, so your exposure almost never stops. Skin doctors point out that whatever stays locked in the fabric gets pressed back against your skin every single time you put those clothes on. That means a sensitive person can be meeting the same triggers again and again, daily, without ever realizing it. The value is genuinely great for your wallet. For easily irritated skin, though, this all-in-one fresh scent giant may be the single most constant source of trouble in the entire laundry room. Cons: worst for eczema. Not for babies, no hypoallergenic label. Poor rinse out. Contains cleaning enzymes. Price: $17.99 per 194-ounce bottle. 3 laundry detergents that are safe. Number 3. 7th generation free and clear. 7th generation free and clear takes the opposite approach to everything we just covered, and that is exactly why sensitive skin tends to love it. This is a plant-based brand that was designed from the very start for people whose skin reacts easily to ordinary products. It has earned the Safer Choice label from the United States Environmental Protection Agency, a mark that is not handed out lightly, and it is recognized by major skin health groups for being kind to delicate skin. The thinking behind it is simple but powerful. Take out the ingredients that cause the most trouble, and you take out most of the risk. Skin doctors back this up, which is why about 80% of them in the United States already guide sensitive people toward calm, stripped-down washes instead of loud, heavily scented ones. The brand has spent years building its name on transparency, openly sharing what goes into the bottle rather than hiding it behind vague labels. It still lifts everyday dirt and keeps clothes genuinely fresh, so you are not giving up clean results just to protect your skin. For a lot of families, this is the switch that finally ends those mystery flare-ups for good. Pros: no added perfume, no added dyes, gentle for kids, rinses out cleanly, leaves little residue. Price: $13.97 per 90-ounce bottle. Number 2. Tide Free and Gentle. Tide Free and Gentle is the smart pick for anyone who wants real cleaning strength without the skin risk, because it uses the very same powerful cleaning system as regular Tide, while removing the parts that most often cause trouble. That combination is rare and genuinely valuable. It proudly carries the seal from the National Eczema Association, a stamp that products only receive after meeting strict standards for sensitive skin. It is also widely recommended by skin doctors and labeled hypoallergenic, meaning it is made to be far less likely to set off a reaction. The maker even states that it pulls more leftover dirt and residue out of clothing than the leading gentle competitor. So you are not sacrificing a deep clean to keep your skin calm. Remember that roughly 80% of skin doctors in the United States already tell sensitive people to choose washes built exactly like this one. For busy families with kids, stained clothes, and sweaty sports gear, this is often the perfect middle ground, strong enough for the mess, yet safe enough for tender skin. If regular detergents have been leaving you itchy, this is one of the easiest and most trusted swaps you can make today. Pros: no added perfume, no added dyes, no optical brighteners, skips harsh chemicals, widely available everywhere. Price: $12.97 per 84-ounce bottle. Which of these safe picks would you try first? And what has actually worked for your own skin? Share it in the comments. Number 1. All Free Clear. All Free Clear takes the crown as the safest choice on this entire list, and it has the credentials to back that title up. It is the #1 detergent recommended by skin doctors in the United States specifically for sensitive skin, a position it has held through years of real-world use. It carries the seal from the National Eczema Association, the same strict stamp that only the gentlest products ever earn. It is built completely without the perfume, the coloring, and the leftover residues that drive most laundry-related skin trouble, yet it still cleans everyday loads with no problem at all. That long track record truly matters because it means countless people with eczema. Allergies and easily upset skin have leaned on it and trusted it for a very long time. One of its biggest strengths is how completely it rinses out of the fabric, leaving very little behind to press against your skin as you move through your day. It is also easy to find in almost any store and sits at a friendly, everyday price. If your skin has been crying out for relief and you only want to make one single change, this is the bottle most experts would put in your hands first. Pros: no optical brighteners. Hypoallergenic formula. Gentle for babies. No harsh chemicals. Safe for kids. Price: $12.97 per 88-ounce bottle. The fragrance-free label check. Before buying your next laundry detergent, do not only trust words like fresh, clean, gentle, or even unscented on the front of the bottle. For sensitive skin, the safer words to look for are fragrance-free and dye-free. The reason is simple: fragrance can irritate sensitive skin, and unscented can sometimes mean the smell is being covered up instead of fully removed. So if your shirts, towels, bedsheets, or pajamas make your skin itchy after washing, switch your close contact laundry to a fragrance-free, dye-free detergent for 2 weeks. If the itching improves, your detergent may have been part of the problem all along. That's the full list. If your skin's been itchy, irritated, or red after laundry day, check your bottle tonight. Switch to fragrance-free and dye-free, and give it 2 weeks. Your skin will tell you the truth. Subscribe now so you never miss what could protect you next.